In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the paper size in Microsoft Word to better suit your specific needs, whether you're working with standard sizes or require a custom setup. Let's walk through the process together so you can get your document formatted just the way you need it. First, you'll want to have your document open in Word. With your document visible on the screen, direct your attention towards the ribbon at the top. Here, you'll notice several tabs. What you're looking for is the Layout tab. Clicking on the Layout tab will bring up a new set of options tailored for adjusting the overall layout of your document. Now, once in the Layout tab, focus on the Page Setup group. You'll notice an option labeled Size. This is where you can manage the dimensions of your document. When you click on Size, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting a variety of common paper sizes. These include popular choices such as letter, A4, and legal. You can easily select one of these options if any of them align with your requirements. However, if your project demands a custom paper size, Word allows you to create one that meets your exact specifications. To do this, click on More Paper Sizes, or it might appear as More Page Sizes at the bottom of the Size drop-down menu. Doing so will open the Page Setup dialog, a window designed for more detailed adjustments. Within the Page Setup dialog, ensure you're under the Paper tab or a similarly named section. This area lets you tailor your document to your precise dimensions. Here is where you will enter your desired width and height values. Type in the measurements that suit your project's needs. This is particularly useful if you're preparing documents for something unique, like a specialized form or an artistic project. Moreover, once you've entered your custom dimensions, you have another choice to make. Under the option labeled Apply To, decide how you want this new size to be applied in your document. You can choose to implement this size for the entire document or just for a section starting from that point forward. This feature is especially handy if you have a document that combines different layouts or sections with their own specific requirements. Finally, after ensuring everything is set to your liking, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now adjust to reflect the new paper size, helping you create a professional and polished piece of work that meets your precise needs. And that's it. You're all set. Whether you're working with common paper sizes or creating something uniquely you, adjusting your paper size in Word is simple and convenient with these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you in crafting the perfect document.